Voice AI has been revolutionizing content creation, and 11 Labs is one of the tools getting a lot of attention. Most people get this wrong. They think it's just another text-to-speech platform. The surprising truth is that 11 Labs offers one of the most natural and versatile AI voice generators available today. 11 Labs allows you to convert text into highly realistic voiceovers with emotional nuance and tone adjustments. Unlike many TTS tools that sound robotic, 11 Labs voices can convey excitement, calmness, or urgency, making it perfect for podcasts, audiobooks, YouTube videos, and narration. You can also clone voices with proper consent, which is useful for consistent branding or replicating your own voice across projects. The platform is web-based, so no complex installations are needed. You simply paste your script, select a voice, tweak settings like pitch, speed, and intonation, and generate your audio. You can download MP3 or WAV files, making it easy to integrate into video editors or podcast platforms. 11 Labs also supports batch processing for larger projects, which is a big time saver. There are some limitations. While the AI voices are impressive, the free version has character limits, and the full version can be expensive if you generate long content frequently. Also, while the AI is good at mimicking human tone, extremely technical or fast-paced scripts may require minor edits for naturalness. In conclusion, 11 Labs is an excellent tool for creators who want high-quality, natural-sounding voiceovers without hiring a professional voice actor. It's perfect for content creators, educators, and anyone looking to streamline audio production. If this review helped you understand whether 11 Labs can fit into your workflow, subscribe for more honest reviews, AI tools tips, and strategies to boost your content creation efficiently.